Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. This is John. Here to give you the latest on what is now Tropical Depression 2. This has been formed recently, and now this is the latest update as of the 5 o'clock advisory. It is currently located 9.1 north, 41.9 west. Has maximum sustained winds of 35 miles an hour. Its movement is west at 21. It um, is projected to stay in this current state. Let's see. There are no there are no warnings at this time, but that will be to come probably tomorrow. Um, Possible rainfall in the Lesser Antilles is 4 to 6 inches of rain. Isolated spots might get 6 to 8, depending on the absolute um, track. Um, so there could be some flooding in the Lesser Antilles. The arrival time of tropical storm force winds will be roughly overnight Sunday going into Monday. Um, I will go. I'm going to take a stab. Be like about Monday, like real early Monday, like 1 a.m. This is projected to become a hurricane when it crosses the Lesser Antilles. Here is the cone. It's projected to be a hurricane by Sunday afternoon, all the way out and cross the Lesser Antilles right around 12, 1, 2 o'clock Monday afternoon. As a, they have it as probably a category 2, but that is to remain be seen. Because I've seen forecasts as high as about as a 3. And being that the latest run, which was at 2 o'clock from GFS, had a 964 millibar hurricane going through Lesser Antilles versus the Euro, which had a 1001 millibar tropical storm going through the Lesser Antilles. So it's going to be between the two. This is the look at the storm right now. It is very healthy. It has a core finally, and it's beginning to look like a storm. It's getting its act together. It has the core. All the deep convection is it's breathing the way it's supposed to be. So we now have finally Tropical Depression 2, and as of 5, and I will, and again, this is as of the 5 o'clock advisory from the National Hurricane Center. It is moving west at 21, has sustained winds of 35 miles an hour, and its current location is 9.1 degrees north, 41.9 degrees west. Anything past Monday, we will see how it will act as we go on. So for the next 3 days, this is where it's projected to be. It'll be just leaving the Lesser Antilles. So for the Lesser Antilles, as of this current moment from the National Hurricane Center, I expect 3 to 6 inches of rain and at least 110-mile-an-hour winds. I'm sure evacuations will be mandatory by Saturday afternoon. So here are the key messages for the tropical depression. Tropical Depression 2 is expected to strengthen and be a hurricane when it reaches the Windward Islands late Sunday night or Monday, bringing a risk of heavy rainfall, hurricane force winds, and dangerous storm surge. Hurricane and tropical storm watches will likely be required for portions of the Windward and Southern Leeward Islands later tonight or early Saturday. Interest in the Central and Western Caribbean should monitor the progress of the system. Users are reminded that there is large uncertainty at days 4 and 5 to not focus on specific details or the track or intensity forecast. So that is the latest on now Tropical Depression 2. If you haven't subscribed, please smash the subscribe button. If you like this content,